How do you secure an IT job in 2026? I have conducted hundreds of interviews throughout my career, and I have worked with both product-based and service-based companies. So I can tell you one thing very clearly. Learning one technology is no longer enough. You need to learn how to actually work as an engineer. With AI rapidly transforming the IT industry, you need strong knowledge of the technology you choose. But along with that, you need to understand tools, frameworks, cloud, testing, coding standards, security, AI, and industry best practices. And this is where many students struggle. You can complete a course and get a certificate. But can you build a real product? Can you work as part of an engineering team? Can you contribute to GitHub, participate in code reviews, follow coding standards, and solve real problems? That is where the real gap is. At the Skill Genie, we don't just explain a topic and leave it there. We want the knowledge you gain to actually contribute to your career growth. You don't just learn concepts, you learn how those concepts, tools, frameworks, and practices are actually used in the industry. And that's why we created TSG Nexus, only 25 members per batch. You work together like a real engineering team. Our first batch starts on August 17th, and we are starting with 4 real products. These aren't just academic projects. You will work with daily stand-ups, sprint backlogs, development, code reviews, testing, demos, retrospectives, and cross-team collaboration. For example, you'll work on products like the XI Tracker, building real features for real users. Your code will be maintained in a public GitHub repository. The products will have live URLs, so you can actually show what you built. Your contributions become part of the particular version you work on. It's about building a portfolio that speaks for itself. And here's another important part. Every TSG Nexus version is a 45-day engineering cycle. You can start with one version or continue for up to 4, from 45 days all the way to 180 days of real engineering. Major in front-end in version 1, cloud in version 2, back-end in version 3, and QA and AI in version 4. Because our philosophy is simple, learning doesn't come from reading alone, it comes from building. Build, break, fix, get your code reviewed. Build again. That's how you truly master the craft. You don't become an engineer by just learning about engineering. You become an engineer by actually engineering. Our goal isn't just to help you get a job. Our goal is to help you become capable of doing the job. If you want only a certificate, TSG Nexus is not for you. But if you want to work on real products, TSG Nexus is for you. The first TSG Nexus batch starts August 17th with only 25 members. Check out the Skill Genie and learn more today. The Skill Genie, TSG Nexus, because your location shouldn't decide your future. Join us now.